Hi, it's Sam RUISI, and today I'm located here in Abbotsbury. It is a blue chip suburb that offers loads of lifestyle for families. We're surrounded by parks, Calmsley Hill Farm, local shops, and don't forget the Parks Coffee House, who make the best coffee in town. Yeah, that's good. And if you are seeking this sort of lifestyle, you need to check out 19 Cochran Place, Abbotsbury. I'll take you there. Just let me finish this coffee. Nestled on a 565 square metre block amongst other quality homes on a quiet cul-de-sac, this recently updated property ticks all the boxes. It offers brand new flooring downstairs, air conditioned throughout, spacious living and dining areas, and a north to rear backyard which bleeds an abundance of light throughout the property. The upper level has 4 bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, plus a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite to the main. The floor-to-ceiling tiled bathroom offers dual showers and quality fixtures, while the sun-drenched stone kitchen overlooks the gorgeous covered entertaining deck, well-kept lawns and manicured gardens. Buyers, the property is vacant and is ready to be yours. All you need to do is be the highest bidder on the day, as we will be selling. I look forward to seeing you all at the next open for inspection, and remember, selling is made easy when you sell with Sam RUISI.